Mastering adjective and adverb clauses in English. Hello learners! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of English grammar. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of adjective and adverb clauses. So, get ready to master how to identify and correctly use these clauses in your sentences, making your English even more fluent and dynamic. Adjective clauses, also known as relative clauses, are groups of words that contain a subject and verb and provide a description. They are used to modify nouns or pronouns. For instance, in the sentence, "The girl who is wearing a blue dress is my sister," the highlighted part is an adjective clause. On the other hand, adverb clauses are groups of words that also contain a subject and verb and modify verbs, adverbs, or adjectives by telling when, where, why, how much, or under what condition. For example, in the sentence, "I will call you when I arrive," the highlighted part is an adverb clause. Identifying these clauses in sentences may seem challenging, but worry not. Here are some tips. Adjective clauses are introduced by relative pronouns like who, which, that, etc. They modify a noun or pronoun in the sentence. For example, "The book that you lent me is interesting." Here, "that you lent me" is the adjective clause modifying book. Adverb clauses are introduced by subordinate conjunctions like after, before, since, when, where, while, etc. They modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb in the sentence. For example, "She left before I could say goodbye." Here, "before I could say goodbye" is the adverb clause modifying left. Now, let's talk about using these clauses correctly in sentences. When using adjective clauses, ensure they directly follow the noun or pronoun they are modifying. For example, "The teacher who taught me last year is on leave." The adjective clause, "who taught me last year," is correctly following and modifying teacher. With adverb clauses, they can usually be moved around in the sentence without changing its meaning. For example, "We will go shopping if it doesn't rain," or "If it doesn't rain, we will go shopping." The adverb clause, "if it doesn't rain," modifies will go, and its placement can be switched without affecting the sentence's meaning. And that's a wrap on adjective and adverb clauses. Remember, these clauses are an integral part of English grammar, and using them correctly will significantly improve your language skills. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be a pro at spotting and using these clauses. Happy learning and see you in the next video.